Ha-ha! Ha-ha! Shh! Bam! Voila! Ladies and gentlemen, back again with another video. Not a Jeep video, not a wheeling video, but I do have some cool stuff to show you. A little while ago, one of my buddies, Aaron Osterman, sent me a package that I was not expecting, and it came with a bunch of stuff like this. If you don't know who Aaron is, go check him out. He builds cool stuff and he has a cool Jeep. So right off the bat, I want to say thank you to Aaron for sending me this dude. Completely unexpected, completely surprised, and I'm really grateful for you. So to get right into it, what we have here are 2 fire extinguisher mounts, a bunch of bottle openers. He sent me a helmet holder and or steering wheel holder, this little hook, and he knows damn well that I can't weld, so it's going to be pretty funny to watch me weld this on. Then he sent me these 2 gusset tabs. Well, there's 3, but look how thick these are. Holy shit, I don't even think my welder can actually weld these. How thick these things are. Ooh, buddy. Ooh, fancy. This is my first time working with an overhead rig right here. So I'm watching myself over here and everything is mirrored and backwards. And I have to say, this level of detail for how thick this metal is and how obnoxious the logo is pretty impressive. We'll give you a close-up here. Look at that. Dang, Aaron. Oh boy, our power just flickered. Uh-oh. I need to make this video quick. So I wanted to say thank you, Aaron. All this stuff is amazing. Before this video ends, I will be welding together one of these. I still have to go to Home Depot and get a fire extinguisher because the only one that I have is huge and doesn't fit this. So from my understanding, the way this works is that these pieces all go here like this. That's the pin you pull. This piece slides out of here like this. So once the pin is in, this is the bottom piece that goes like such right here. There are holes here that you can put the metal bands through, or you can weld it. He's got some holes for welding here. And then this piece is the piece that cups the fire extinguisher, goes like such, and then that gets welded to this. So when this pin is pulled, then this piece comes off like this, and then the fire extinguisher would be strapped to this piece. So this is the piece that comes out. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a little while to figure out how all this worked, even though he had it all banded together with the rubber band, like exactly how it's supposed to go. So it shouldn't be too hard. Like I said, I'm not a terrific welder, but we're gonna go for it. I wouldn't consider this structural. That will be the second part of this video, but before we end on that, there's 2 more things that, well, 3 more things I want to show you technically. Look at this. He also cut this out for me. This was a design by Becca Spalding, Yeller Life on Instagram. She drew this for me. Aaron cut it out. Look at that paint. It's very, very thin metal. This is definitely some incredible garage art. Let me flip this around. You can get a different view. Look at that paint. Like, he went above and beyond for this. And then the other one is this copper metallic looking color, which is absolutely incredible. I am super, super stoked to hang this up in the garage. Look at that shine. Ooh, ooh. But yeah, so he sent me these 2. I think this one, the green one, is going to become part of a fixture of the studio. I say in quotation marks. But I'm super amped on that. Go check him out. 517 Metalworks out of Michigan. Awesome dude. I've known him for a couple years now. Solid dude, man. Go check him out. And the next thing that I want to go over before we go into the garage and start doing some welding, I got a package from Azzy Design Works. If you haven't already, go pick up a shirt. The Immortal XJ. He's got a bunch of other designs. They're really hitting it hard with new designs this year, which I love. So go check him out, support him. They also have these amazing stickers. Come on, babe, it's only 500 bucks. No, that's not surface rust. Lockers before light bars, bro dozer. Nah. And this next piece, I laughed so hard when I saw this for the first time. Look at this. These are Bronco badges. I obviously don't have a Bronco, but look at these. Chonko horsey badges. They're fat Broncos, which is incredibly funny. The reveal. The reveal. Here we go. Ta-da! Yo. Official stomp of approval. Holy shit. That is hilarious. Dude, Azzy, top notch, dude. Absolutely top notch. And there it is, the Chonko badge. Hilarious. Yo, how funny is that? It's a fat little Bronco. I love this so much. This is obviously going on the YJ. So with all that said, thank you again to Aaron. Thank you again to Azzy. Right now we're going to disassemble all of the ridiculousness that we got going on down here with these cameras. Got to go upstairs in the garage, clean a little bit, and then I'm going to try and set myself on fire. So I'll see you in a minute. Funny story, as soon as I finished recording the clip that you just saw, our power went out, like literally within 30 minutes. I went upstairs to start preparing to do the welding segment. See, I even still have all this stuff here to do the welding segment for these. Power goes out. Power just came back on. This is the next day now. It is 11:19. Power came back on at about 8. So we had about a 24-hour period with no power. We got probably 14 inches of snow. I have at least 2 trees down, and I gave myself a nice burn last night trying to boil some water. So I'm still planning on doing the welding segment, but this video is going to span a couple days. And first things first, we need to pop this, and we're going to do this on this video. So if you don't want to watch that, skip ahead. This is our first aid kit. So let's see what we got in here. Minion band-aids. What is this? PJ Mask. We got some Neosporin, hydrogen peroxide. Got some band-aids. Probably gonna need that. This first aid kit is stacked mostly with stuff that my good friend Susan helped me source. So thank you, Susan, for that. Miss your face. Alright, cool. Now I'm just dilly-dallying because I'm nervous. It shouldn't hurt though, right? Because this is just skin. That's all puffed up. A little poke, doesn't hurt, doesn't hurt. That's all skin. There we go. Ooh. Oh! Ah! There we go. Popped and ready to go. It doesn't hurt, so I don't think it is anything crazy. And actually, I don't think I'm gonna wrap this up right now. Actually, what I'm gonna do is text Susan and ask her. Actually, I'll send her a Snapchat. Oi, lady. Look, I got a big burn and I just popped it. Got all that gooey nastiness. My question for you is, and we're also recording a YouTube video, so say hi, is should I like cut this skin off? Or should I just leave it alone? Let me know. So we'll leave it at that. It is time for me to go relieve my wife of children duty, but I'm sure we'll be back down here to finish up what's going on here, as well as the welding stuff later, so. Okay, a little bit of update time. It's been a couple hours since I recorded the last part, and if you look here, it is nice and pink and nasty. I had to do about 3 hours of cutting with the chainsaw because the storm like destroyed a bunch of trees in my yard and in my brother-in-law's yard, so I had to go cut those down. So I put a glove over my hand, and then I put my regular glove on, but my hand sweat so much that it just made, as you can see here, it just disgusting. So I had to rip the skin off. It was all being gross and stuff. So I'm gonna try and keep it clean. I'll probably wipe it with something, and we'll see. But it is late now. It is 5:11 p.m. I need some food. I need to relax a little bit. I'll probably have a 2-hour delay tomorrow for work, if not canceled again. So if it's canceled again, I'll probably do some welding tomorrow, but if not, it'll probably have to wait till the weekend. So this will be a multi-day video. I apologize, but we'll get it done. Okay, I just got a response from my friend Susan that I Snapchatted earlier. Let's see what she has to say about my hand and what I should do.
I know you probably already did something with that fucking blister, but can you let it air dry?
I did. I let it air dry. I did.
And then, me personally, probably not the right thing to do. I always have to cut it.
Oh, I cut it already.
Dead skin's gonna fucking flake off and die anyways.
I already cut it.
I would cut it, cleanse it with sterile water if you have sterile water, and then
hydrogen peroxide?
Cover it dry or let it dry out. Follow me for more tips and tricks. Oh no, I cut that shit. I can't look at that personally. Trim it.
Obviously that was a Snapchat, so I had not seen that until you guys are seeing that. That was so incredibly perfect. This could not have turned out any better. So that officially ends this day's part of this video. We will be back for more for the welding. This has turned into something that I did not expect it to, but welcome to videos on this channel. Here we are, we're back. We're finally finishing this video. We've got this ready to go. In case you forgot, this is what we're doing today. We're welding these up. These are fire extinguisher mounts from 517 Metalworks, Aaron Osterman. Earlier today, I went to Home Depot to get some fire extinguishers. Go like this. Still undecided as to where I'm gonna mount them, because I want to be able to reach it if I'm belted in, but at the same time, I don't want it to be close enough so that if I have to egress quickly that it hinders or prohibits that in any way. So we'll have to figure that out. First things first, went to turn on my welding hood. Batteries are dead. So these cost like $9 fucking a piece, which was annoying. So I'm going to replace those. We've got this set up and ready to go. I will show you a closer look at that right now. So I've got this set up and clamped here. If you can see in the middle here, right here, I have razor blades just to keep them separated in case it moves while I'm welding, which it will. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tack these two first, move over to the other side, tack those two, and then there is space here to put some welds, whoa, here. I also want to find a home for these guys somewhere on here. Not sure where they're gonna go, but I'm excited to get these on. Thank you again, Aaron. This is fucking sweet, dude. Here we go. And no, these gloves aren't extra large. My hands are just extra small. Again, Aaron, thank you. And I'm sorry if I messed these up. Not great, but it'll hold. Thank you, Aaron, for the tip about using the razor blades. Very helpful. And there we go. Still have a little bit more welding. Just a little bit, just a couple little ones, but that's pretty straight, right? Mostly. Ah, you dumb bitch. Let that cool down for a second. It's hot. Let's give it a test fit. Oh, right here, I got my hose clamps. First hose clamp. Get this other guy. Now the big ones. Obviously needs to be tightened up a little bit, but You get the idea. This also has holes here in the side. You can weld it. I want to be able to reuse these, so I'm probably just going to continue to use the hose clamps. But like this, probably put a little tab on this guy to pull it out, like that. Boom! Fire extinguisher. There we go, just like that. Now you're all safe. Ha ha! Ha ha! Shh! Bam! Voila! And there we go. The quick release fire extinguisher mounts from 517 Metalworks out of Michigan. Boop boop. Aaron Osterman. Dude, you fucking rock. That is it for me today. I only have a very limited time in the garage today, but I wanted to give you this video. Shout out to Aaron Osterman. Also, thank you to Azzy Design Works for those awesome badges that I showed you earlier. But that is it for me today. I love you so much, and I hope you come back for the next one.